Welcome to our Easter-themed nail art extravaganza. In this video, we'll show you 14 adorable and creative nail designs perfect for celebrating the holiday. From cute bunnies to vibrant spring flowers, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're a nail art novice or a seasoned pro, these designs are sure to impress. So grab your nail polish and let's get started. Easter Bunny Bliss. Transform your nails into cute bunnies with pastel-colored backgrounds and adorable bunny faces on your accent nails. Spring flowers galore. Embrace the beauty of spring with delicate floral designs featuring daisies, tulips, and daffodils in bright, cheerful colors. Egg-siding Easter eggs. Get creative with intricate designs inspired by Easter eggs, featuring patterns like polka dots, stripes, and floral motifs. Pastel perfection. Keep it simple yet stylish with soft pastel shades in lavender, mint green, baby blue, and pale pink, perfect for a chic Easter look. Chickadee Chick. Bring some sunshine to your nails with adorable chick designs, complete with bright yellow accents and cute little faces. Easter Basket Delight. Create miniature Easter baskets on your nails filled with colorful eggs, flowers, and even tiny bunnies for an extra dose of cuteness. Glittery Glam. Add some sparkle to your Easter manicure with glitter accents or opt for a full-on glitter gradient for a glamorous touch. Peter Cottontail Parade. Pay homage to the Easter Bunny with nail designs featuring Peter Cottontail himself, hopping along in a field of flowers. Easter Egg Hunt. Get playful with nail art inspired by Easter egg hunts, featuring hidden eggs peeking out from behind blades of grass or nestled among flowers. Springtime Splendor. Celebrate the beauty of the season with abstract nail designs inspired by the sights and colors of spring, from blooming flowers to chirping birds. Modern Speckled Egg Easter Nail Idea here. A light purple-gray base with dark speckles creates a modern take on the speckled egg look. Try any color you like for the base coat, so long as it's light enough for the dark spots to show up. French Manicure Easter Nail Idea. A fresh, simple French manicure works for any occasion, including Easter. Whatever other social events come your way during the season, weddings, showers, graduation, you'll be all set. 3D Cross Nail Charms Easter Nail Idea. Apply bejeweled cross charms to an accent nail for a reminder of what Easter is all about. Peeps-inspired Easter Nail Idea. Swap regular French manicure tips for yellow ones for bright and happy springtime nails, inspired by the popular Peeps marshmallow treat. With these Easter nail designs, your manicure will be the talk of the town. Whether you're spending the holiday with family or simply want to add a touch of festive flair to your look, these nail art ideas are sure to impress. So grab your favorite nail polish and let your creativity run wild this Easter. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more nail art tutorials. Happy Easter and happy painting!